Okay, guys. Ever wanted a fully customizable way to showcase your collections, right down to individual card titles and fonts? Well, this section gives you complete control. Today we're adding this collection section to your store. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now, let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's customize the collection itself. On the left side, click on Add Collection. I'm just adding a random one here to show you how it works. First, let's add the card image, and right below that, the card title. After that, there's a card link URL where you can add the link to that collection. Right below that, if you toggle on Hide Image, the image you've added won't show up anymore, so keep that in mind. You'll go through this same process for every collection, one by one, adding whatever fits your own store. I'm just filling everything in randomly for this demo. Now let's move on to the section's main settings. First up is the section layout option. With 3 different layouts to choose from, pick whichever one suits your Mars best. Right below that, you'll find the section heading settings. Toggle on Show Heading, and you can add a name for your heading, along with updating the subheading. There's also a heading alignment option. Choose whichever alignment you prefer. Below that, toggle on Use Custom Font, and you'll be able to customize the heading font along with the heading size for both desktop and mobile. Right after that, you'll find card title settings too. Toggle on Use Custom Font here as well to adjust the card title font and card title size for desktop. Go through each of these step by step and customize them based on your own store. I didn't change any of these myself since they already worked well for my collection. Once you've adjusted everything the way you like, just hit Save, and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.